Hey, it's Isaac with Release Aviation Cleaner, and we're here today to review this IK Foam Pro 12 foamer. So let's jump right in. All right, so in front of us today we have the stuff that comes inside the box with the Foam Pro 12. We have our hose, we have the handle, we have the wand here as well, and then also two tubes. There's also one in the foamer right now, and this determines how much foam or what kind of foam that you want to produce with the foamer. And we also have this air compressor chuck right here. So if you take this black matting off, this is where you'd hook up your air compressor, your air line to it, so that you don't have to sit there and pump it all the time. So let's go ahead and get started with the assembly. So now that we got the Foam Pro 12 all set up, let's talk about some of the notable differences with this model. So the main thing is that you can actually use an air compressor with an air line to hook up to the side here. What you do is you take out this temporary chuck and you replace it with the air compressor hookup that is in the box. And what this allows you to do is hook up that air line to this right here without having to physically pump it every single time that you want to create pressure inside of the foamer. Some of the other features on the Foam Pro 12 include the sturdy base that they added, and also the capacity can hold up to 2 gallons of liquid. This IK foamer also comes with a product identification card right on the front here. This helps you identify what product is inside of the container. Let's go ahead and head outside and see what this model can do. The IK Foam Pro 12 is one of the greatest foamers on the market today. If you have any questions, be sure to drop us a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.